Welcome to this quick introduction to Ally for Moodle. Ally is a feature within Moodle which sole focus is to make digital content more accessible. It does this in two ways. Firstly, it checks through any documents, images, or text which has been uploaded and provides accessibility indicators for tutors. This can be helpful to know which documents are or aren't accessible. Even better, the tool provides tips and steps that can be taken to make sure that content is more accessible. Secondly, the tool allows students to view or download content in alternative formats on the fly. For instance, if a student prefers to listen to content, they could download an MP3 file and listen to this on their computer or mobile device. Okay, so I've just loaded up Moodle and gone to my Ally for Moodle demo course. In this course, I've placed in a few resources. So you can see I've put in a placeholder image here at the top, and then I've created one topic which has an image as a linked file resource, a page resource which has some text in behind it, and then I've uploaded a Word document and a PDF document. You'll also notice that on this course at the moment I am in as a student, so this is what a student will see with the Ally tool turned on. So as you scroll through the content, you'll see that not much is different other than the fact that there are these new alternative format icons which sit next to the file. So if I take the Word document, for instance, and click on the icon, it will bring you to this window which will allow you to download a file of your choosing. So for this exact example of it being a Word document initially, I could download this as a tagged PDF, HTML, EPUB, which is an ebook format, electronic braille, an audio file, which is an MP3 version, or a Beeline reader file. So I'm going to choose MP3 file for this example and download this, which will download locally to my machine. And you'll see that that is downloaded to my desktop, and I can open it. From a staff perspective, if I switch my role back to my normal role, which is the tutor role, you'll notice that from a tutor's perspective, there are some more icons, and they will provide you with an indicator as to how accessible those resources currently are. So the image that I've dropped in here has a red icon. I know it's red because it doesn't have an alternative text. So if anyone has a visual impairment and uses a screen reader, there is no description behind this image, and any screen reader will not be able to describe what this image is doing or its place within this course. So you can see as I've clicked on that icon, it's given me a preview of the image on the left, and on the right hand side it's told me what the file name is, what the score is, and what exactly is the issue with this file. So if I could drop the image description in here, so I've put placeholder picture for demoing accessibility descriptions or alt text, and I hit add, you'll see that the score is quite radical in its change. So it's gone from 25% straight up to 100, and it is now perfect. If I then close this, you'll notice that the icon on the course for this image has actually now gone green. Additionally, so this is one way to interact with the icons. Additionally, on the left-hand side at the bottom of the nav drawer, there is an accessibility report button, which will load up in a separate tab within your browser, but it will give you the overall accessibility score for the entire course. So this will be all of the resources put together. It'll also here show you a nice chart of the makeup of your course. You can see it's mostly image-based. We've got one PDF, one Word file, sorry, and a few other things. And then on the right-hand side, it tells you what the easiest things to fix, and we can start this process here. So by clicking on Start, it will highlight those images. So that will be the other image that I'm linking to. And if I click on that, I can actually do I can do the work from this screen here. So again, it's going to load in the image on the left, and it will show me the same window on the right, and I can add in that description and click add and close that. You'll notice that the accessibility score again is creeping up towards the 100% mark and is 82% currently. And if I close that and close this window and come back here, you'll notice that the icon is still displaying red because we did that in another window. So if we just hit refresh, you'll see it load up and it's now green. So the next couple of icons, which are documents which have been uploaded and are text-based, will give you some more indicators. So again, it works in the same way. It will give you the preview on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, it will tell you what issue or multiple issues there are with this. So first of all, it says that there is an image that is missing a description. So again, that was done on purpose. There's the same placeholder image, and I didn't put any alt text in behind that when I was creating the document in Word. And if I click on all issues, it also picks up on the fact that I've got some red text down here, and there is not enough contrast between the red and the white behind. So by solving these two issues, this file would dramatically increase with its accessibility score percentage. I'm not going to demo these changes now, but this is how the Ally tool can help you identify any issues that you might have with your documents and any accessibility concerns.